The Personalization Algorithm. Midjourney's V8.2 release mathematically overrides your text prompt with a massive dataset of other people's taste. When you append the personalization parameter, the model stops listening to your specific lighting or camera instructions. Instead, it queries a cross-user data pool of millions of binary image rankings to calculate an aesthetic baseline. If your prompt conflicts with the data pool's preferred style for a given subject, the algorithmic weight of the crowd wins. You are no longer engineering a prompt, you are simply steering a weighted average. And looking at the prompt degradation metrics reveals exactly how the model actively ignores your text. Prompt degradation metrics. Control tests on version 8.2 show a sharp decline in strict token adherence. When you type traditional lighting or texture modifiers, the algorithm actively suppresses those tokens if they deviate from your active profile. Midjourney essentially decides the images you ranked yesterday matter more than the text you typed today. This override mechanism directly forces us to examine the real implication for image pipelines. The real implication, the interaction between the personalization algorithm and intentional prompt degradation, means we have officially exited the era of prompt engineering and entered the era of aesthetic curation. Midjourney V8.2 proves that raw text control is actually a liability for commercial image generation, and math-driven style locks yield higher acceptance rates. For developers building AI image pipelines, this changes the entire integration stack. You can no longer rely on dynamic text strings to alter output styles for different users on the fly. Instead, operators will need to manage databases of personalization profile codes and inject them programmatically to maintain brand consistency. The skill shifts from writing perfect camera angles in text to curating the exact right dataset of seed images to train the profile vector. As Midjourney prepares to roll out its full API architecture by the end of Q4 2026, watch for the introduction of enterprise-level profile management endpoints that let teams share and version control these aesthetic weights. Subscribe for more.